This is my friend's recipe and our family favorite. So let's make shrimp biryani today from my red folder. Following are the ingredients you need. Let's take 2 cups of shrimp, tails off and devein them. Blend together coriander, some chilies, ginger and garlic paste, yogurt, salt, red chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, and zira powder. Blend it together and pour the puree onto the shrimp. Mix well and put aside. In the meantime, take 2 cups of rice, wash them under cold water, soak them in water and put aside. Now slice thin 2 onions, fry them golden brown and put aside. Add a bit more oil to the same pan, add the shrimp with puree and cook on low heat. Add soaked rice into a deep pot with 4 cups of water, cinnamon sticks, black cardamom, green cardamom, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Once the water comes to a boil, cover the pot and cook on lowest heat until all the water is absorbed by the rice. Turn off the stove and leave the pot covered. When the shrimp puree reaches a ketchup consistency, add the cardamom powder, mix well, and then turn off the stove. Slice thin a butter stick and put aside. Time to layer. Over 1/3 of rice, pour half the shrimp puree. On top of that, another 1/3 of rice, the remaining shrimp puree, and then the remaining rice. On top, place the butter sticks, saffron or saffron essence, cardamom powder, milk, and finally the fried onions. Cover the pot first with a cloth and then its lid and keep on absolute low heat for at least 20 minutes. Dinner is ready. Enjoy the shrimp biryani with raita or simply as is. Thank you for watching.